how you can check your Windows info on your PC. Now before we get started, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's start. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your settings. So just go to your search bar and search for settings. Now after you open settings, go to system. Now when you are on system, just scroll down till you find the about section. Tap on about and scroll down till you find Windows specification. Now right here you'll be able to see your Windows edition right here. As you can see, mine is Windows 11 Home, its version, and when it was installed, its OS build, and it's everything else, its experience, and also its service agreement and software license terms. So yeah, this is basically how you see your Windows systems specification. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.